Hello and welcome to Last Food and Barbecue. Let's grill some chicken leg quarters. First we need something to marinate them with or season them with. So I've got about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper. Then just wiping on there. The chicken is still frozen. It's been thawing in the fridge all day, but it's still frozen through, more or less. It's not going to be a problem. I'm just going to throw them in a grill. And which way, putting the seasoning on there and getting the grill up to temp. Or actually the coals ready to grill. Here we have some halloumi wrapped in bacon. That's going to be a good side with this. Throwing them on there, and then of course realizing I want to move them around because I want the chicken closer to the fire. And this is what the chicken looked like. Still pretty hard, but that's okay. So I'm gonna leave the vents fully open, both top and bottom, and then I'm gonna temp the chicken. In this case it took about an hour 10 minutes to reach way above 170, which is what I want with chicken. So I'm happy with that. Plating a couple of halloumis, piece of chicken, and then some salad. It's just green salad, avocado, some tomatoes, and a few pieces of cauliflower. Any which way. More or less done. Time for a taste test. So, there we go. Chicken leg quarter. Let's try it. That curd flavor was really good. This is really moist. Cooking it from frozen, well, it has its benefits. It took about an hour 10 minutes at full speed. I don't know what temp it was, just ran it and tried again. The skin is really crispy. Also couldn't try the halloumi here. Really good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.